kind of sneaking up on him with this stuff, but we'll see. You never know. It's gonna be so hard to sneak up on him today. Look at that. Those are fresh tracks. Something just walked through here. That's a deer. A deer just came through here this morning. Those are fresh deer tracks. I said that was in the last, I'm gonna guess last 2-3 hours. Those are fresh. There's definitely deer moving through here. Spooked too yesterday. Come on. That's a pheasant. He just moved. That's a pheasant. I'm probably not gonna get to him in time. That's a pheasant. Looks like a cockbird. Yeah, that's a cockbird. I'm not gonna be able to sneak up on him. That's definitely a cockbird. He probably sees me already. Yeah, look, there's another one. There's two of them over there. Two cockbirds over there. That one might be a female. Well, that's just my eyes deceiving me. So my cockbird's in that tree line right there. I think that's where he is. I'm gonna hit that tree line. I think I know where he's at. I don't know if he's in that tree line. I rushed the freaking shot. That was just bad shooting on my part. I should have aimed. I rushed that. That was a female. That cockbird was trying to call her over. Yeah, I expect the female to be sitting there like that. They're so well camouflaged you can't see them. I even walked through there earlier. So they must have popped out after I walked by. I can't believe he's still cockling. Hey, John here. Got another cockbird. I'm out here in Berks County, Pennsylvania. This beautiful cockbird I just got. There's no one up ahead of me. I want to get him next. But out here in the snow, I came back here. The only way you get back here is 4-wheel drive. And back here, got the whole mountainside to myself. I haven't seen a single hunter. I walked about 2 miles to get this bird, but it's well worth it. There's another one with him. I'm going to go get him next. He's up ahead. I heard him cockle and run. Another beautiful cockbird. Alright, get one more today and I'm done. Hunting here in the snow, out here by myself. It's beautiful out though. It's hard to sneak up on them because the snow's so crunchy. But somehow I managed to sneak up on these two. Alright, one more to go. Another great day of hunting already. If I walk out here with just one bird, I'm happy, considering I'm dealing with really tough conditions for hunting pheasants. But what an awesome day of hunting already. Let's go get that other one. Okay, on this side, come back to that side. We're gonna get that other one. There's another one down here. We're gonna get him. Another beautiful cockbird. Let's go get that other one. There's another one down there. I want him. Thought I saw that right back here.
Been a million places, and never see a million faces.